Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Chevy Colorado. This is ZR2 4x4. Has the Duramax 2.8 in it. Thing will run and run and run. It does have the tow hooks up front. Also has a power sliding back window. That roll bar with the light bar on it. Spray on liner. Spare tires down below and painted alloy wheels. LED headlight surrounds. And if it looks like they flicker at all, that's the refresh rate on the camera. It's not the headlights. The human eye, they look just fine. Does have black leather seats. Has additional power supplies back there. Here's a shot of the VIN right here. All right, you see that this vehicle only has 8,000 miles on it. Has a heated steering wheel. Your 2- and 4-wheel drive toggles over there. Trip computer and push to talk right here. There's your navigation. And then you also have your audio. That's it. You have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. Then you can connect to your phone. And then your comfort controls right here. As you come down, you'll see that you have heated seats in the front. And here are your other controls. If you want to see your backup camera, simply pop it into reverse. There's an HD backup camera. Okay, here is your phone charger down here. Cup holder, shifter. And as you come up above, you're gonna have your map reading lights and sunglasses holder. And that about wraps it up for the interior of this little Colorado. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here in the front center. The airbag's deployed, but there's no structural damage. We got it all fixed up, and it has passed the 150-point inspection in the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.